Today I'm going to review a fun fisheye lens from AstrHori. As promised, I will still review fun budget manual lenses, and this AstrHori 6mm f2.8 circular fisheye manual lens is a fun one. Hello everyone, my name is Andrei Dima, I'm a professional travel photographer and I love reviewing lenses, so for more video reviews, subscribe and check out my older videos. The build quality is very good, metal body, metal mount. This lens has a nice smooth matte finish, feels different in a good way compared to your typical lenses. The markings are engraved and the lens has a nice classic design with a silver ring around the front. The lens cap is metal and fits the lens well. I don't like this type of design, but this one never fell off in my backpack. Next on the list we have the aperture ring with clicks. Yes, we have one of those too, and it has a nice clicking sound and it is well damped, but you can go from f2.8 to f4, f5.6, f8, f11 and just f16. The focus ring is also nice, turns smoothly, it is well damped and has a nice focus throw. It also has markings for feet and meters. Nice touch for a budget lens. The minimum focus distance is 8 cm. That is so close. The optical structure is 10 elements in 8 groups. It has 8 aperture blades. It has an angle view of 220 degrees and the weight is around 340 grams depending on the mount. Now let's talk about chromatic aberrations. They are not visible in the center of the frame even if you take photos wide open, and I think this is a great thing, but like most fisheye lenses you get some chromatic aberrations in the mid-frame and near the edge of the frame. Flares. Just look at that front element. Of course you are going to get some flares, but this could be a nice effect for some. So this lens is designed for full frame cameras and I tested it on my Nikon ZF. And straight from f2.8 the image quality is very good, even at the minimum focus distance. You can see a good amount of details and the contrast is good until the far edges of the lens. Stopping down further improves the image quality a bit, but as I said, it is very good from f2.8. At f5.6 I think you get the best results. Also, you can see some sun stars. Stop down further if you want bigger ones. Taking in consideration that you can get so close, you get some nice background separation and decent looking bokeh. You can also crop for different results and correct the images a bit in post. This lens should be good for people that want to shoot the night sky and stars. I couldn't test that because the weather was bad here in the north of Spain. You can also use it for some fun videos to upload on YouTube and TikTok like this one. Overall a very nice lens if you like circular fisheye lenses, great build quality, that nice matte black finish, very good image quality starting from f2.8, very good image quality when you get close to your subject. This may be the best circular fisheye lens I tested in a while, so if you are looking for a lens like this, I can highly recommend the AstrHori 6mm f2.8. It is a fun lens for full frame cameras. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel even more, check out my presets packs and use the links in the description at no extra cost to you. Thank you for watching, see you next time.